the way my parents they have done the ceremony, the way your parents they wanted to have the ceremony for you, I accept everything, and I pray for my family's welfare and everything. I have got these 7 promises. If you consider these promises before we finalize it, I will appreciate it very, very much. So first promise is Nadani Vazulaja Saptivazakma, Om Madramdan and Mistan Bejnadi Mijgayam, Madadinam Chakartapium Kanya, the Padibrividam, whatsoever we are going to earn in our life. It's not mine, it's not yours, but it will be ours. If you accept it. So there is no mine or yours anymore, it will be ours. We are husband and wife, she says. If you accept it, I consider the ceremony done. Yes? Om Griya Karmani Sarvani Maya Karyani Sarvadam Dasi Sarvandunam Bhajana going to live together. Sometimes there is a misunderstanding, there is a quarrel, and sometimes people also cause problems for our life. So she says, we will ignore what people are talking about us. We will live together. We will enjoy our life together. Ignore whatever people are gossiping and talking. But we have to enjoy our life if we accept it. Yes, I consider the ceremony done. Yes? Om Sarvibhyo Devano Namah. सर्वबंधुजना स्वामी भवतु दास्तां गदा जलपात्रं कंकणाभ्यां दत्तां प्रेयपूर्वकं त्वया कदापि नो वाच्यं किं दत्तं तव बन्धुभिः अवश्यं सहसंवासात् कलिर्वैजायतृणाम्. All my parents, she says, my parents, they will always respect you because you are a very special member of the family. So they will always respect you, regard you as the best son-in-law. Okay, and by holding holy water in their hands, they have given my hand to you for whole life. Sometimes it happens, oh, your parents, they said this, or they have given this, they haven't given this and that. It should not occur in our life. She says, we will earn together, we will enjoy our life as I said before. We will earn together what they have given, what they haven't given. We will ignore all those things. We will have to become a good example for the society, a good children for a good family, and a good family couple for the whole community. If you consider these things, I consider the it is our tradition, it is a Hindu tradition. Husband and wife, they have to sit together. Always, it is like that. So she says, we will always worship together, pray to Almighty God throughout in our whether we are giving our daughter's hand to a nice son-in-law, or we are marrying our son in future, or we are having any other ceremony. There is no hidden, there is no separation in Hindu tradition. Always husband and wife, they have to be together. But sometimes people, they cause problems for themselves without informing their wives or husbands. So she says, we will never ever hide anything in our life. Whether you are having good time at your work, or you are struggling at work, or there is any problem causing you, or mental distraction or something, please share with me. She is the best wife. She is the best friend for you in your life. So please never hide anything. Tell her, share with her. If you consider these ceremonies done properly. Yes? Om Sarvebhyo Devano Namah Shri Paramatma Nirmo Namah. Okay, for you. Adau Dharmadhara Kutumba Sugdam Tatya Priya Bhashinim Krodhasya Vajtasukare Nityam Vachakaranim. He says, always pray to Almighty God. Something. So we will not become uninvited guest or something anyway. But sometimes society doesn't allow in some places, especially for women. So please don't do anything. If there is any other promise also, I will make sure look after you, fulfill all your promises, and respect you as my best wife, as best companion, as a best friend. But please enjoy the life and maintain the traditions of both families. If you consider the thing, I consider you are married. Okay? Let us give them the background. No pressure. No pressure. Can you just go to that side? I'll just take this one. And then just no, that's it. Ganu Vajanam Padmalin Padmain Vajanam Swahainam Sudainam Sudainam Talen Myron Menma Lakshmino Nitputan Babanam Titianam Ditano Danukaman Makantan Kamakshanam Sampainam Anugra Pradanam Buddhayanam Anaka Mahrivalavainam Ashokainam Matanam Lok Shokanam Darunijanam Karunan Lok Matrinam Padmapriyanam Padmastan Padmakshinam Padmasundarianam Padmudvan Padmukanam Padmadrainam Debianma Sarupatrinvarnam Navadurgainam Mahakalinam Brahma Vishnu Shivatkanam
and that particularly represents God. That little locket represents Narayana. So this bride has Narayana on her chest, and she has to respect it by keeping it constantly and wearing it constantly.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಾಂ
ಓಂ ಸರ್ವಾಬಾಧ ಪ್ರಶಮನಂ ತ್ರೈಲೋಕ್ಯಸ್ಯ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ವರಿ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ओम सर्वाबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्य अखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यमसमुद्भवः विनाशनं मां सर्वाबाधा विनिर्मुक्तो. ओम सर्वाबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्य अखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यमसमुद्भवः विनाशनं मां सर्वेभ्यो देवनमः. ओम देहि सौभाग्यम आरोग्यम देहि मे परम सुखम रूपम देहि जयम देहि शो देहि दुशो देहि. You have to just put a little kumkumam there after Anand has done it. ओम गंधद्वारां धुरादर्शां नित्यपुष्टां करिष्णीं ईश्वरीं सर्वभूत.
The kumkuma, the red powder, is placed on the middle of the forehead, and that's very important because the life center is in the brain at that particular spot, and we are blessing the Lord to bless the.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗೌರಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
Bipin bhai, today. Today. सबका हो गया? All 7 of?
They should have sent one plate here, isn't it?
कोई बात.
You should have requested earlier. We want to put the garland.
Both the parents
Thank you.
exchange the garland.
No. He is going to.
Okay. Sorry.
Give it to him.
I think we should. Mettige.
Now you offer the garland. Pandit ji,
We'll just have a
small tradition called talambra. They pour rice on each other.
right, okay.
It's there in that little shadow.
Two plates. Two plates.
It is there.
Two plates are needed. One more plate, Pandit ji.
Yeah, I'm going to.
One more plate.
One more.
One more plate. He will hold one. Yeah, that's fine. She will hold the other one. Right, both one. Each one hold. Right. Yeah, right. Okay. This is called talambralu.
Very nice.
It is symbolic of prosperity. Both the bride and the groom hold a plate full of rice and keep on pouring fistful of the same on each other's head. The procedure is believed to transmit some forces of nature from the groom to the bride and vice versa. And as the top of the head is considered the universe representing Creator Brahma, the rice grains poured on also acts as an offering to Lord Brahma.
Right.
Now you do the same on his side. Okay, three times.
Take it more and more.
It's a game.
Why not?
It's like a game. Empty the plate.
Give him a shower.
Empty the plate. Take it near and put the whole thing. Lift it up.
Put the whole thing.
Put the whole thing on his head. There now. That's it. That's it. There.
Lovely. Can I just make a room there for both of them to just hold the back?
ಸಪ್ತಪದಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
Saptapadi, do you want to do?
7 promises. ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवं भद्रं कर्णे विष्णुयाम देवा भद्रं पश्यमाक्षुभितरां श्रीरङ्गे स्तुष्टुवागं देवितमिदायुः ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवं सर्वाबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्य अखिलेश्वरी एवमेव
This is called as Ashirvadam. The respected elders finally bless the married couple now.
Can I request you both, please?
Take it.
Nice. Want some more? First one they have, please. ओम सर्वापादाभिनिमुक्तो धनधान्यस्तान्वितमनसमत्प्रसादेन भविष्यतिरसंख्यां या श्री संसुदनां भग्नेषु लक्ष्मी पापात्मनां कृतजां हृदयेषु बुद्धि श्रद्धास्तां गुरुजना प्रवृजां तां त्वां नतां परिपालदेवी त्वं सर्वेश्वरी नमः। Thank you very much. Can we just stand up, both of you, please?
Now the couple and the elders in the family, the uncles.
The traditional way of just blessing them. You know, in KT, you can just bless her. That's it.
Okay, Seema's mother. Seema's mother, Ramakrishna Gupta's mother. Can they come here?
Excellent. Brilliant. Now, Pushpaji, both of you also. Mommy and daddy.
Yeah. You first
Blessing. May God bless them with health, wealth, prosperity.
The respecting of elders and learned people is a tradition in the Hindu family. They do so by touching their feet and ask them to bless them.
Shambhu and Satyaji. Both of you together if you can. Get some
ओम मंत्रार्था सफला सन्तु पूर्णा सन्तु मनोरथा शत्रुणां बुद्धिनाशोऽस्तु मित्राणां उदयस्तव।
This is finished, citing the Arundhati star.
Doctor, can you request everybody if they want to just come forward and bless them here? So they can go and meet people. They can go together. There's a flower from them.
Yes, I know.
Ramakrishna Gupta and Right, can you both sit down together for a second, please? Both of you sit down.
Very profitable.
Thank you very much. Don't take my shoes.
Okay, Panditji. Panditji, up here. Akshat, Akshat.
Hold the.
Okay, that is Arundhati Nakshatra.
ओम आदित्याय विद्महे ओम सर्वेभ्यो देवो नमः। ओम जपाकुसुम संकाशम काशीमादिम तमोरिम सर्वपापकं तमोस्मिवाग्रम सर्वेभ्यो।
Who stood by her husband all through his ascetic life. The husband is supposed to show his wife the star in the sky It means the wife should